Master the art of organizing your speech, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning video series. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important skill, especially for public speaking and presentations: organizing your content. You might have the most enlightening points, but if they're not organized effectively, your audience may not follow or understand you. So, let's embark on this journey of turning chaos into order. The first step towards organizing your speech or presentation is understanding your audience. This is paramount as it directly influences the language, tone, and complexity of your content. Knowing your audience will help you make decisions about what information to include, in what order it should appear, and how it should be packaged. After you understand your audience, the next step is to define the objective of your speech or presentation. What is the one message that you want your audience to remember? What action do you want them to take? By defining this, you're setting a clear path that your presentation will follow. Now that you've understood your audience and defined your objectives, it's time to gather your ideas. Think about all the points you want to cover in your speech or presentation. Write down these ideas, even if they seem disjointed at first. It's all about getting your thoughts out on paper or screen. This section is the crux of content organization. You've got your ideas, now it's time to arrange them logically. Most presentations follow a simple structure: introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction should grab your audience's attention and present your main point. The body supports this main point with subpoints, examples, or stories. And the conclusion summarizes everything and leaves your audience with a final thought or call to action. Organizing your content isn't a one-and-done process. It takes rehearsing and refining. After creating your initial draft, practice your speech or presentation. This will help you find parts that may not flow as well as you thought, and gives you a chance to refine your content for clarity, conciseness, and impact. And that's it, folks. Organizing your speech or presentation is as simple as understanding your audience, defining your objective, brainstorming, structuring your ideas, and rehearsing and refining your content. Remember, the goal is to help your audience understand and remember your message. Effective organization is your key to achieving this. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, practice is your best friend in mastering public speaking and presentations. Until next time, keep learning and growing.